Hey, hi traders, this is Parthiban. Today is 13th November 2016, about 9:19 a.m. Okay, the reason I preparing the video because last week was the US election, and last Friday I think I traded and I gave a signal on Euro USD. Then I saw some kind of reversal and I say break even, the trade market has lost momentum. So in fact, I took another two more positions on the same day, but I did not give the signal. Hit my stop loss. So why uh, I'm preparing the video is I want to tell you guys, when we feel this kind of uncertainties, what do the real traders like hedge fund managers facing? What's their view? Okay, let's check on this. Ray Dalio, November 11. When is it? On Friday. There is much more that we don't know than we do know. The world's biggest hedge fund isn't sure yet what to make of Donald Trump's election to the US presidency. So they that's the big takeaway from the investor note that I read on Thursday, 2 days after the election. There's much more that we don't know than we do know. Trader wrote in a client letter viewed by Business Insider. Our guess that is that the market will increasingly focus on what he is likely to do and less on how sensible he sounds. So this is the scenario. Let's look at the those who are subscribed to my signal. If you see the discussion 2 days ago, where Ray Dalio's statement was 2 days ago, right after I gave my signal. Okay, right after I give my signal, look at the statement that I released. Guys, please break even or close the trade with a little profit or loss. I will re-enter once market have momentum. There's no clear direction in the market, so we exited. And went in. I went in personally right after that, but hit stop loss. So the market direction wasn't clear. But now I find a very good opportunity in the market where on a GBP New Zealand dollar for the next week. You see, this is the key level. This is the key level. Key level. Key level, most touch line, and this is the key line. So the price action story is market tried to penetrate, fail. Try to break, fail. Try to break, fail. But what you can observe here, the highs are getting lower. That means market losing momentum. So it broke at this point, a retest, and market drop. Okay, and what we can see is once it's broke below this level, market tried to break above, fail, and market broke above this line with a very strong momentum. Okay, so a lot of sellers already entered this market because it's a very flipped area where the buyers become sellers here. So what we anticipate is market going to do a downside correction. Okay, and this year's price action on second to fourth, what I'll be teaching is this is an H4. If you take a risk reward, this is almost 500 pips. There's a confirmation here. You can take a position this 1 to 10, 1 to 7, 6, like that. So we'll be taking in a 5-minute entry. We'll look for setups here. This is a totally different setup where we'll take position here and we'll break even the trade, couple of trades. So what will happen is you'll be having a lot of positions here at a different setup in a lower time frame. As the market grows, you get about 1 to 10, 1 to 20 risk reward ratio. Okay, so you can look for good setups here. There's a confirmations forming. With a confirmation on Monday, we can go in and place our trade. Okay, and on GBP USD, in my opinion, I see more upside to this area. Then it has to make a correction, then up. So I'll go short over here, not at the moment, but in GBP New Zealand dollar, it's already in the rejection area. You see another one more. This is a false movement, right? A strong movement, right? Market did the correction. You see, this is the middle point. Whatever spike that market have created here, it corrected over here. I think I did mention this in the class earlier. Whatever like a sudden shock in the market, it will be balanced with another shock. So if you take the median of the market, let me put them in the moving average. Okay, if I draw the center point over here, this is the center point. You see the spike and the spike. The pips will be almost same. 600 pips. 600 pips. Is it? It's almost similar. So now what we can anticipate is there will be a rejection with a confirmation. It can go short. This is about 500 pips, and the other markets are still to me it's still choppy. And this is 3-minute charts. Is it 3-minute chart? Where this for the scalping, which I'll be sharing on this price action course on 2nd December. Where what's the advantage having 3-minute chart is when while the we let the 1-minute traders enter position first. Once they enter the market, the momentum's there, then the 3-minute chart will give you a hedge, or it overcome the blind spot in the market where you go in right after the first 2-minute chart traders enter. So this gives you a hedge in the market. Okay, I'll be explaining this. Okay guys, I think that's all for this video. So you guys can read on the Ray Dalio's statement. So he's a price action trader, and in the world all the price action traders will be having the same view and same. If we having a bad day, means all the price action traders will be having bad day. So the best advice is stay out of the market. Okay, thank you guys, safe trade.